practice one such example or a question. See now, newspaper report. So in one of the newspapers there was a report, and what was the report? That more cases of road rage than ever before. So a survey was conducted, a road safety survey was conducted, and in that they found that more cases of road rage than ever before. Okay, that means road rages they had increased a lot. And then your school teacher, she has asked you to write an article. See, so write an article in about 120 words. Here 120 words, that means the word limit is given, and you don't have to exceed these 120. Now 120 can be 110 also, and it can be 130, 135 also, no problem. But you have to adhere to this word limit. For a local newspaper, so newspaper, you have to write for the newspaper, so you can put your date and everything that you have to put, that's it. Or you can in the beginning also and in the end also. Now whenever you find a newspaper, even in Hindi also, you must try and find out any article and see what format they are doing there. Even in the English newspaper, you can search for these articles. Every day the article is coming, you can read those articles, you can find the format. Okay, the search for the format, that what type of format they are using. For a local newspaper, highlighting the issue of road rage. Okay, now this is a question related to the road rage. Now they have asked you, they have already given you three things. Okay, so first you have to express your concern about road rage. Okay, so first you will explain what is road rage, and then in the second paragraph you have to show your concern related to road rage, that why are you so much concerned. Obviously because people lose their near and dear ones in the road rage just for nothing. Then cause of this menace, what is the cause of this, and so cause and effect we are going to discuss here. And then in the concluding paragraph we give some suggestions that what all things can be done in order to avoid road rage. So proper traffic conditions should be there, traffic signals should be there, police people should be deployed there. So all these suggestions we can give in the end. So now we are going to write one article as an example on this topic. Now let me tell you how we are going to write this article. So first I told you heading. Okay, any heading you can give. By whoever is writing, he or she will write his or her name. Then here date and name of the place. Okay, why? Because we are writing this for a newspaper, that is why. If it is not for newspaper, if it's for just during for the exam, you can just write heading and byline. Now see, I have written all, I have jotted down these points for you, and I'll just make you understand how we are going to write, how you are going to develop your article. Now introduction. In the introduction you will just, that is the first paragraph of your writing. So you will explain what is road rage. Now what is road rage? Now it is not only rash driving, but it is verbal insult also. When you are doing some verbal insult, you are insulting somebody, he might get annoyed and then anything can happen there. So even verbal insult, then bothering the female drivers also, then it is rash driving very fast, jumping red lights, lights and also it's that or signals that, then not following the traffic rules, all that we can write here in the first introductory, that what causes a road rage, how do people do road rage. Second, body, the main part. So causes, so here we are going to obviously discuss cause and effect. Okay, and even here what are disadvantages, even that we can do. Okay, like people can go to jail and all that, so disadvantages we can discuss here. So causes, stress, people are stressed nowadays, and that is why it causes road rage. People are in a hurry because they are not punctual, they are not disciplined, they don't get ready on time, and then they rush for their offices or schools and all that. So obviously they are in a hurry. Traffic jam. Now in the afternoons when everybody is returning home, there is a traffic jam. So people need to be a bit sensitive. They need to calm themselves and then drive. But no, they are not doing. So traffic jams. Then rush, obviously, rush. Pollution, types of pollution. Okay, like air pollution, sound pollution is also there. So obviously people get irritated. Why? Because they are tired by that time. So, and wrong driving also, because you don't know the rules how to drive and you're just driving. Even rash driving is there. So these are the causes that you have to mention in your body, and you can develop your ideas like that. Then at the end, towards the end of that, you can give some suggestions like being courteous, or people should be taught or how to be disciplined. They should be well behaved. Then obey the traffic rules. You should not jump lights, and also obey the traffic rules. Be sensitive towards the ladies. The ladies driving, so obviously you should be gentle enough to give space to her. And no verbal insult should be there. So obviously no physical anything, abusive should be there, because these are things which cause road rage. So now in the concluding paragraph, that is the last paragraph, because ultimately you have to sum up your article. Now how you are going to end it, because even end is very important. So vehicle damage. Now due to this causes, what is the effect? Vehicle damage. So we are damaging vehicle, not only ours, others also. Now when the vehicle is damaged, what all we can do? We can get it repaired. In place of breaking somebody else's head, we can repair our own vehicle. Okay. Then after repairing, we can also claim the insurance and then get the claim for it. Okay. So that is, and in the end, safety for everyone is most important. So you should be concerned about the safety. So that is how we are going to sum up our article. So now let's start writing an article.